All right, what's going on this morning? It is like, I don't know, -4. Maybe it's like -2, -3 now. And I am heading to Crossroads Church in Muncy to help put up a 60-foot flagpole and hang out with a bunch of the guys from church. And hopefully it's an awesome day or awesome morning and we all don't freeze. Close to the end. Is it hung up? So then we look.
Reading plumb, but this level might be crooked like its owner.
All that has to go that way.
We can always looks good to me.
Jaws barely.
Stand. You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, we're good.
See how it's leaning against the jaw? That's the direction I want it to go, just a whisker more.
Have him open up the jaws?
Yeah, if he opens his jaws up, because it's good that way and that way.
I like that car. That could put on Facebook.
So we're going to tie this up here today. Back in July, when the Lord really laid this on my heart. I really felt him say to me that we needed a flagpole here at church. And it had nothing to do with being conservative or liberal, Republican or Democrat. It had to do with us being one nation under God. And I really felt like the Lord was saying to me that there is a veteran who's hurting, who's really hurting, who doesn't have a church family, who doesn't have a relationship with Jesus. And that flagpole was what was going to bring them to our church and ultimately to Jesus. I took that to the elders. We prayed about that at the elders' meetings. And you guys know from hearing the story that before it was announced to the congregation, a member here came to me and said to me out of the blue, with no knowledge of this project at all, that it was even going on in the background, that he noticed that our church needed a flagpole. And he wanted to donate the funds necessary to cause this to occur. So he wasn't the only one that donated. Several people have donated. And I appreciate the time and talents that have been donated as well. So as we put this up today on probably the second coldest day of the year,
Yeah.
only seconded by the day we actually put the pole in the ground, you know. I have complete faith that whoever the Lord wants to see this pole is going to see it, and they're going to come here. May we always be welcoming to them, and may they find the true freedom and peace that's in Jesus that they're certainly seeking. Can we pray? Dear Lord, thank you for this beautiful day. Thank you for these people that have gathered. Thank you for your vision. Thank you that we'll always be one nation under God. Lord, we pray today that as this flag flies, that people would see it, that they would know that you are sovereign. Lord, we seek to connect you to them, Jesus and people. We seek to connect you to them and them to you. Father God, for the veteran or the person that you laid upon my heart, may they know that they're loved, no matter where they are, no matter what they've done. May they know that they're loved, that you love them unbelievably and desire a relationship with them. Thank you for everyone who's generously given of their time, their talent, and their treasure. Thank you for all you do for us. Lord, we love you. We love you. Thank you so much. In Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
Amen.
All right. Thank you, everybody, for coming out today. Yeah. Right on.